Hello all and welcome back to the Celtic Farm. This is Master Gardener Steve with another growing guide video today. Today is about alliums. Alliums are a gardener's delight, cherished for their unique and striking appearance. Their spherical blooms add drama and structure to any garden, creating a focal point that draws the eye. From towering giants to petite charmers, there's an allium for every space, making them versatile and adaptable to different garden designs. But their appeal doesn't stop at beauty. These flowers also attract pollinators, adding life and movement to your garden. Many alliums offer edible bulbs, leaves, or flowers, bringing a burst of flavor to your culinary creations. Imagine the taste of fresh allium leaves in your salads, or the unique flavor of allium bulbs in your dishes. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, alliums are a rewarding addition to your garden. They are easy to plant and care for, making them perfect for beginners. Imagine a sea of purple globes bobbing gently in the breeze, creating a serene and picturesque scene. Picture vibrant firework-like explosions of color amidst your flower beds, adding a festive touch to your garden. That's the magic of alliums. They transform any garden into a visual feast. These easy-to-grow bulbs, belonging to the onion family, offer a captivating spectacle and culinary versatility, making them a must-have for any garden enthusiast. From the majestic globemaster with its enormous deep purple heads that can captivate any onlooker, to the delicate star-shaped blooms of hair, the world of alliums offers endless variety and beauty. Each variety brings its own unique charm to the garden. Purple Sensation lives up to its name with masses of vibrant purple spheres that create a stunning visual impact, while the aptly named Mount Everest boasts towering stems topped with white, globe-like flower heads, adding a touch of elegance and height to any garden setting. For something a little different, the drumstick allium, or Allium spherocephalon, produces egg-shaped reddish-purple flower clusters on slender stems, offering a unique and eye-catching appearance. Globemaster is a personal favorite. Its massive flower heads, reaching up to 8 inches across, make a bold statement and are sure to be a conversation starter in any garden. For a touch of whimsy, try Hair, whose spidery blooms add an airy texture to borders, creating a light and playful atmosphere. And don't forget chives. These culinary favorites deserve a place in every garden, offering a constant supply of fresh, flavorful leaves that can enhance any dish. Their delicate purple flowers also add a splash of color to the garden. The secret to successful allium growth lies in understanding their life cycle. Alliums are best planted in the fall before the ground freezes. This allows them to establish strong root systems before winter sets in, ensuring a spectacular display in the spring. Aim to plant your bulbs around 6 weeks before the first frost. In colder regions, planting a bit deeper, around 6 to 8 inches, can provide extra protection from freezing temperatures. Remember, alliums are quite hardy and can tolerate a wide range of conditions. However, planting them at the right time is crucial for optimal growth and flowering. Alliums thrive in sunny locations, ideally with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. They prefer well-drained soil, as waterlogged conditions can lead to bulb rot. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with compost or grit to improve drainage. When it comes to feeding, alliums are relatively low maintenance. A light application of a balanced fertilizer in the spring is usually sufficient. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Planting your alliums. A step-by-step guide. Planting allium bulbs is a straightforward process that can be done by gardeners of all skill levels. Start by choosing a sunny location with well-drained soil. Alliums thrive in areas that receive plenty of sunlight throughout the day. Dig a hole 2 to 3 times the depth of the bulb, ensuring the pointed end faces upwards. This helps the bulb establish itself properly. Space the bulbs according to their mature size, typically 6 to 8 inches apart for smaller varieties and 12 to 18 inches for larger ones. Proper spacing ensures each plant has enough room to grow. Place the bulb in the hole and backfill with soil, gently firming it around the base. This secures the bulb in place and provides a good foundation. Water well after planting to settle the soil and encourage root development. Consistent moisture is key during the initial growth phase. Now sit back and wait for the magic to unfold come springtime. With proper care, your alliums will reward you with stunning blooms,